Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error, and the error is load failed, error code E0-E9. An error occurred while trying to load your saved data. You can go back to the title screen and try again. If the problem persists, reboot the game or try again later. So if you're getting this load failed error and the error code is E0-E9, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to install update Xbox app. So if you're playing the game via Steam, then make sure you have installed Xbox app on your PC. You can install the Xbox app from Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store and here search for Xbox, and then you can install the Xbox app from here. Now, if you already have installed Xbox app, then make sure you have the up-to-date Xbox app. If not updated, then update it and then check. So again, open Microsoft Store. On the left, click on Downloads. And here you will see Xbox app. And if you find there is an update available, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Now, if you face any kind of issue while installing or updating the Xbox app via the Microsoft Store app, then you can install the Xbox app from the official Xbox website. So you can go to this website, and once you're on this website, you can click on download the app and then run this Xbox installer.exe file and install it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Link is provided in my video description. Fix 2 is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 3 is to log out and log in from both Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So open Xbox app, click on profile and then click on sign out and then sign in back. Simply open Microsoft Store, click on your profile and then click on sign out and then sign in back, and then restart your PC. And after PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game from Steam or Xbox app and your problem should get fixed. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator. Now go to the game installation folder. If you have the game on Steam, you have to go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Forza Horizon 6 game folder. Then here you will find the Forza Horizon 6 exe file. What you have to do, you have to right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Forza Horizon 6 exe file. This will launch the game and you will not face any kind of issue. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. Fix 5 is to run the game via Xbox app instead of running the game from Steam. Again, this fix has solved the issue for many players, so you can try this. So open Xbox app, so click on profile, go to settings, go to library and extensions, scroll down, here you will see the Steam, click on Steam and make sure show installed games is turned on. After turning it on, go to my library, and once you go to my library, you will see the Forza Horizon 6 Steam version. Just launch the Steam version from here and check. Fix 6 is to update gaming services. So open Microsoft Store, go to the download and here find the gaming services. Here you can see gaming services, and next to it, if you find any update option, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you find any issue while updating the gaming services from here, then you can go to this website. I have provided this link in my video description, and once you're on this website, you can click on download and it will say open Microsoft Store. You can open the Microsoft Store and download it, or you can also click on view in store. Again, it will open the Microsoft Store and then you can download it from there, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run gaming services repair tool. So open Xbox app, click on your profile and then click on support, and here you will see gaming services repair tool. Click on it and then click on start repairing. Click yes to allow and after the repair has been completed over here, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can close it. Fix 8 is to verify game files. Now if still your problem is not solved, then verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 error code E0-E9 load failed and error occurred while trying to load your save data. So that's all for this video.
If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.